So the reason for this video is to see if anyone that's watching this has some health advice for how we can help our cat Paws. That coughing, wheezing episode that you saw is typical, except that was a bit milder than what her normal ones are and also a bit shorter. The film didn't catch it all. So they tend to last about 45 seconds, and her body kind of has this violent heaving. They come out of the blue, and go away out of the blue. They're sometimes brought on by if I pick her up, like the way somebody holds a baby, like, you know, with her back cradled in my arms. That'll kind of set one off, but they come on by themselves when she's resting, when she's moving around, after eating, for no obvious reason. And she has many a day, and she's been having this for about 5 months. Took her to a vet who said everything appeared normal and really didn't offer like other ideas except for getting to like x-rays and just like a lot of like invasive stuff. I'm on much more on the natural side. I've tried 2 over-the-counter homeopathic cat respiratory remedies. Neither of them had any effect, and a friend of mine who's a really good homeopath had me give her doses of 30C of Ipecac, and after 6 days of that she seemed to get better for about 2 days, like almost all the way better, and then I just continued it, and then it came right back. Also, the weather was better for those few days. It was warmer. And then I've been giving her the Ipecac again for about 5 days, but no effect, and she seems to be as bad or worse than ever. She had this same thing last winter, not quite as severe, for 2 months, and as soon as the weather warmed up, it was gone, but this time it's been lasting about 5 months. So if you have had a cat with a similar situation and you know what helped, that would be lovely if you would respond. What's the way that they can respond to this? Send me an email or
in an email. We'll post the information.
Okay, we'll post the information. Thank you so much, and if what you tell us works and I can find a way to pay you back or reward you, I will. Thank you so much. Bye. Oh, another thing is after a coughing, wheezing attack, she has like very spasmodic breathing, sometimes for a long time, which it looks like her exhalations are very labored, and they're kind of short and sharp, and you can see a lot of movement at the ribs, as if it's hard to exhale, and she exhales violently, kind of. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this and for